On the bench today we have a Volvo XC70 instrument cluster. It's from a 2002 year model. The customer states that it has, he says it works sometimes and sometimes it doesn't. Flickers, lights and gauges are erratic. This is a very common problem on this. On Volvos from 2002 to 2003, pretty much most of the models have this exact gauge cluster in there. And the problem is bad solder connections. Let's get into it. So to take this cluster apart, you have to remove this back cover. It's held on by a bunch of Phillips head screws. And then this board just pops out. Just kind of work it out. Got to be careful with these springs when reinstalling the circuit board. Make sure they line up into these holes right here. So the problem here is usually these right here, these little chips, and this processor right here. It fails quite often due to, heating and cooling cycles. We fixed hundreds of these circuit clusters with these issues, and it's always in this area right here. So this isn't exactly a simple fix. You have to do some micro soldering along these points right here. That's it can't be done with just a hot air station, just blowing hot air at it, because it ruins these things. We have seen them where people overheated them, and like this green circuit board area will be bubbled up from excessive heat. So you don't want to blow hot air on it. Best way is to reflow those points with a method we use, drag soldering, and it works good. Never had any issues. Never get a comeback, and we do offer a lifetime warranty on this repair in case you want to send it in for us to repair your cluster. So I'm gonna go ahead and reflow this real quick, and okay, I got it all cleaned up, reflown, and it's ready to be put back together. So to put it back together, you got to be real careful to align all these pins to these holes. Also, these backlighting bulbs, they all burn out. We see the gray ones and the black ones go out. The blue ones aren't on very long, so they do not go out, or at least we haven't seen them go out yet. So you could either replace them with the factory ones or the LEDs. So I'm gonna put white LEDs in this one and show you guys how it looks. Here I got the white LEDs installed. It looks much brighter than the factory lighting, and technically LEDs should outlast the incandescent light bulbs, so it would be a more reliable fix. Kind of messing around with it at this point. I just put some blue LEDs behind the displays, and it actually looks pretty good. So we could also put blue LEDs back there. I actually have a picture that I may or may not post into the video. Here's an example of the blue LEDs installed behind the displays and behind the gauges. So, if you're interested in this repair service, or if you would like custom LEDs installed into your cluster, message us or visit our website. I'll have a link below. Also, I'll have a link below with all the tools used to repair these clusters or electronics in general. So if you need anything, just refer to the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a good day.